How is it going? I know it's been forever. If you're new to the channel, of course, it's not forever for you, but it's been a while since I have been consistent here on YouTube. One of the reasons I got burned out a little bit when we hit the 55 strike, but the other one is that things kind of went a little crazy in my life. And I'm sure it's usual for everyone, and we are now in Q4 of 2022. We are November. It's November 2nd recording this, and I want to pose you guys a question because I know it's not just my life that's going crazy. Your guys' lives are going crazy too. If you're in e-com, if you sell anything, like this is the month, right? So I kind of wanted to come in and ask you guys a question and really get your input on what you want to see. So I kind of have two options for how we can go forward through the rest of this year and start to tackle 2023. I'm trying not to think about that in a video respect and just looking at 2022. So here we go. Options for you guys to vote. You're going to vote in the comments below. You can also vote in our group, which is the Handmade How Home of the Pickle Peeps, also linked down below. So let me know which one you want. I have created an absolutely insane marketing promotion schedule for November. We have upcoming, the next couple of weeks, we have a collection launch. I'm doing a MIFGE. If you want to know what that is, you got to hang around. The MIFGE will lead to a jewelry subscription box. I'm doing a SMS campaign to get people's phone numbers so I can message them when stuff is going on. I'm getting, which leads into a gifting week, which is ahead of Black Friday, to the week of Thanksgiving, having a giveaway. I don't know if I actually used the number 5 there or not. Whatever, we're going to say that's 5. Into a giveaway. Into Black Friday to Cyber Monday, into Giving Tuesday, into 12 days of Christmas. That's 8 things in the next 4 weeks. Insanity, right? But this is what, I want to know, because if this doesn't work to make money, then I'll just hang up and on my e-com, on my coaching, on everything. This is geared towards making money. And this is being realistic with yourself as to what level of commitment you want in and what you want it to be. Everything going on there. What level do you want to rock your business at? And I looked at it, it's what is sustainable, what is plannable with minimal overlap that we can do for November to really hone in, set that bar. And yes, I know November, December, it's insane, it's Q4. But if I set that bar and make that a habit and carry it through into 2023, how amazing can 2023 be? I am on the race to 100K by Christmas. I don't know that I'm going to get there. I have great doubts that I'm going to get there, but that is the goal. And I try to tell myself that 50K is okay by Christmas, because it's not. I mean, it is great, but it's not, because the goal is 100. So it's the pushing. If you're going to set a goal for yourself, set a lofty freaking goal. And the goal is not to succeed at it, it's to push yourself further. So anyway, all of that to say, these are the things coming up in November that I'll be working on. And it's crazy. I don't even have makeup on today. It's crazy. Okay, we're going to pause for a second. Why am I on camera right now? It's because I am actually physically right now, my computer right next to me is doing a MIFGE masterclass where we're doing TikTok stuff and YouTube stuff and all the craziness with Elise Nelson, Elise Michelle, and if she gives me the okay, I'll link stuff, and I'll let you guys know afterwards how amazing this is. I love Elise, period. This training is phenomenal. But she told us we had to get up and we had to record a YouTube video. Now, this is not the video she told me to record, but I decided it was the video that we needed to record today. Because I need to give you guys these options. So this is me taking massive imperfect action. I'm not even wearing makeup, all right? So this is what's going on. You guys just heard crazy plan. Right now, this very second is massive imperfect action. And now we're going to talk about what would be a little bit more closer to perfect action before my phone memory runs out in 2 minutes. The cutoff here. So a little bit more perfect action is we could keep going on some of the types of videos I was doing before previously on this channel, which is very much you had pretty decent editing in there, and we really went in and I taught stuff. And if you guys want more teaching videos, that's great. I am looking here. I can totally give you guys 1 teaching video a week that goes on strategies. That's one option. Or do you guys want to see the documentation? And when I talk about massive imperfect action, I'm talking about letting go of the idea of perfection. I'm talking about letting go of the perfect caption, the perfect social media post, the perfect email, and just getting it done. Really honing in. One of my big concepts and beliefs is having a minimum viable plan for a minimum viable product that you can launch out to the world. We can always go back and make it better later. We can always go back and make it better next year. But we don't know what's better until we start. Until we have that minimum viable. What is the bare necessities to launch, to go? Yes, I am, you guys know me, I am a build your parachute. Stitch it together while you're falling out of the plane, like spinning in air. That's when I build. Because that forces massive imperfect action. So, all that to say, you guys have a vote. I have 45 seconds until this phone camera runs out. Massive imperfect action here. You guys, we can do one curated, beautiful training video a week. Or we can do daily videos that are saying and tracking, what am I doing today? What is the big thing we're working on today to move us forward in this goal, to chase down this 100K goal? And I don't care what your goal is. Set your goal and follow along with me. And we can together be chasing that. And this is the dedication. This is the raw, unfiltered what it takes. Vote below. Let me know. We're going to close this with 10 seconds to spare.